Hey guys, welcome to another widget tutorial video. This time we'll be talking about the buzzed list carousel. The buzzed list carousel is the later version of the original buzzed list widget, but with a carousel type layout. Now you can display hundreds of blog posts using the dynamic counter number and carousel animation style. Let's see how you can use it. First of all, drag the buzzed list carousel widget onto your page. You can see the carousel right from the start. As you can see, the post images will appear once you hover your mouse over the posts. On the layouts section, you can select up to 4 columns for the display. Let's get with 2. Increase the column gap to make the display more suitable for your audiences. As you can see, there are a bunch of switchers on the options. Turning them off or on may show or hide specific items on the display. Just like the Show Category button, turn it off and the category above the title will be turned off. Same for the Human Different Time. Turn it on and the time will be displayed on your posts. Let's revert the changes. From the Query section, you can limit the number of items on the display, either increase the limit or decrease. Use the Categories field to select the specific categories you want to display. For navigations, you have a bunch of options like arrows, dots, or the combination of both arrows and dots. You can choose either and customize the position of the arrows and dots. Clicking on the dynamic bullets switcher will make the dots more stylish. Let's choose arrows for this carousel. Remember, you can choose from up to 23 arrowhead styles. As for the animation settings, you can change the layout into carousel or cover flow. There's other options like item match height switcher or pause on hover switcher. Turning it on will pause the carousel animation upon hover. Also, you can choose the number of sliders to scroll upon a single animation style. Let's move on to the Style tab. Here on the first section called Item, you can apply an overlay color over the whole list. Let's pick a semi-transparent color and also choose a hover color for that. We're skipping the title and meta and jumping into the category customization. Let's pick a color for the category as well that is similar to the hover color. Of course, don't forget the counter number. There's a line between the number and the title which also has a color settings. Let's increase the spacing by the scroll bar at the below. The navigation arrows are also customizable. Let's change their colors first. Let's add a solid border with only one width. Use border radius to make the border circular, and increase the padding to increase its total size. Notice that there's also a size scroll bar which will increase the size of the arrowheads. Now, let's change the colors for the hover mode also. Great, your buzz list carousel is ready for displaying. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and share this channel. And make sure to stay with us. Thanks for watching.